Magbabayad ako kahit magkano. Patulugin mo lang ako na maayos. To my kids, I'm sorry. My dad was a failure. To my wife, I'm sorry. You didn't deserve this weight. I didn't come from a wealthy family, but I come from values. And yet I made mistakes. I got scammed. I make poor decisions. I lost control of my finances. Now my wife carries the weight. Pati mga anak ko nafe-feel nila even though hindi pa nila naiintindihan. And I'm done letting that happen. Binuhay ko sila eh. Kayong kailangan ko silang buhayin. I will give them better. To all dads, entrepreneurs, and OFWs, it's okay to cry. It's okay to feel lost. It's okay to start again. I'm not here for likes. I'm here to spread awareness. Because strong men need safe spaces too. Dati failure ako. But now I'm rising. I'm healing. I'm successful. Because I refuse to stay broken.